Solar Renewable Energy Certificate in Delaware. Want to make extra income while going green? In Delaware, Solar Renewable Energy Certificates, or SREC, lets solar panel owners earn money just for generating clean energy. Here's how it works. For every 1 megawatt-hour of solar energy your system produces, you earn 1 SREC. You can then sell these SREC to utilities that need to meet their green energy targets. This means by going solar, you don't just save on your energy bills, you actually make extra cash. With Delaware's commitment to 100% clean energy by 2045, there's no better time to join the SREC market. Are you ready to boost your solar investment? Contact SolarSME to learn more about SREC. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.